Friends, in this SEO course video, today we are going to talk about how we can plan out the on-page stuff for our website, okay? So friends, whenever we start doing the SEO, right? We get a website, it could be our website or it might be a client's website, and we need to do SEO on it. Now in SEO, we're not going to start the off-page activities directly. We always need to do the planning of that website. Like how many pages are there in website, how many keywords will target, what will be the URLs, so how you actually do this planning. You can map it on a sheet so that on the basis of that you can simply follow your plan of action, get awesome results and really nail your on-page SEO. So since we run a digital marketing agency and we do SEO for our clients across various industries and different countries as well. So see here, I've got a sheet open right here. So how this planning is done, let me explain you properly. You can see it on the screen now. That here I have listed some of the keywords. I hope you can see them. Here we have the search volume and here is the competition for those keywords. Then over here you can see clearly we have the word count for the content on the pages where I will be targeting those keywords. And we have already entered the page and URL here, okay? Now friends, when we are doing SEO, we know that from a single page or from one URL, we can mainly target about 2 or 3 keywords, right? So the first thing you need to do is identify the keywords that you are aiming to do SEO for, means the website for which you want the rankings. Now let's suppose you are targeting 15 keywords for SEO. So are you going to stuff all the 15 keywords on one page of the website? Will all 15 keywords rank on one page and one URL? This is not possible and it's not the ethical way to do things. You always need to remember one crucial thing, okay? This is a golden rule. That from one page, meaning from one URL, you should only be targeting 2 or 3 main keywords, alright? Okay, let me give you an example. Let's say I have my digital marketing agency. I offer various services like I provide SEO services and PPC ad services. Alright, I also provide social media services, consultation services, we offer coaching as well and many other things. So let's imagine if I want to rank my SEO page and there I have the keywords for the SEO page. They are something like SEO, agency in Delhi, SEO company in Delhi and SEO service provider in Delhi. These are 3 keywords. Now, if I want to rank all these 3 main keywords, then my website needs to have a dedicated page related to SEO, right? My website should have a page like marketingfundas.com/SEO service agency or SEO company in Delhi. It should be a complete URL, a proper page should be there, right? And the 3 main keywords that I will target, they must be relevant. They should match with each other and should not be different, alright? Okay. As SEO company in Delhi, SEO agency in Delhi and SEO service provider in Delhi, these are relevant keywords. And there should be the keyword inside its URL as well. Then when I'll create the meta tag title, these keywords should be there as well. And it should be there in the meta tag description also. Then this thing, as you can see here, 2000 words and this content of 2000 words that you'll write for this page. So keywords should be there also. Then relevancy is built. Okay, so you shouldn't overstuff with keywords. The content quality should be good. It has to be unique, readable and mobile friendly. Also your page, your URLs, they absolutely need to be SEO friendly. They must be responsive, alright? They should open up easily on any screen. The content needs to be readable and engaging. Use images and you can also add videos as well. So whenever you're planning for on-page SEO, so you first need to figure out that which keywords you are just going to target. That's step 1, right? And do you have the pages related to those keywords on your website? Or you don't have it? If not, then create those pages. And for whichever keywords you're targeting on those pages, you need to write related meta tag titles. And description and the content that you will write, there should be some target. Even the images you will add should have those keywords, okay? At the same time, for those keywords you're targeting, make sure to check their search volume. And importantly, the competition shouldn't be too high, it should be medium. Keyword generates a little less traffic. Conversion means from where you can get leads. Now, what's the difference? Let me explain you. Someone just type SEO company. You'll get traffic from there. But if someone types SEO company in Delhi, then SEO company in Delhi is a better keyword for me. It will rank faster. And the second thing is that the person who is searching is clearly showing their intent. I need to find an SEO company in Delhi. But basically the SEO company is general keyword. You can get traffic on it. But even if you do get the traffic, so it might not be as useful. Right? So you have to pay attention to all these details. Then get the good quality content written. And in this way, you have to finalize keywords and their URLs. Okay? Alright, so once you've got on page, keywords are finalized, search volumes, you've checked the competition and content is written. And when URL is done, then do it on page properly. And when you'll do on page SEO in a perfect way, then half of the work is done, right? And after that, off page activity starts. Just like we've taught you the on page practical. And we've also taught off page SEO practical within this course. I really hope you've learned it well. So this is how you can plan out your on page SEO strategy. And then go ahead and implement the on page SEO on your website. The results will be amazing. Thank you so much.